Day 2, early morning, my husband captured this beautiful sunrise view. It was just amazing to see the sun rising on the east. After breakfast at hotel, we started off for our first sightseeing point, that was the top station. It was quite far from our hotel, 44 kilometers from our hotel Tea Castle. For visiting top station, you need to have sheer luck. Otherwise, as you can see, it was foggy and it does not give a good view. It took us around 1.5 hours to reach top station. After reaching the top station, we found there was quite a foggy weather and visibility was very low. Anyways, first you have to get your tickets, which cost 20 rupees per ticket. Getting down through these steps is really hectic, and we stopped for a few times to take some rest and then proceed again. This is actually the main point where you have come down to the lowest point, and here you can see the awesome view of the top station. However, it was foggy, and as you can see, the visibility was very low and everything was white. But of course, there is a different beautiful charm of seeing things white again. After clicking random pictures at the top station, so we started to leave from there, and also we purchased strawberries from there. Those were cheap. Then we started proceeding to the next sightseeing point, that was the Kundala Lake. So when you follow the route, you should always start from top station and then you should slowly continuously visit all the other sightseeing points. we ate a pineapple on the boat itself. At Eco Point also you can do boating. However, we had done it in Kundal Lake, so we did not do it here. Then we proceeded towards the next sightseeing point, that was Madupatti Dam. It's quite nearby. After leaving the Matupatti Dam point, then we proceeded towards the nearby tea plantations of Munnar. The scenic beauty is just awesome. As you can see, the view is really good and we were enjoying it. It was around 2 p.m. This was not some specific sightseeing point, this was just a place on the way. So we found beautiful view over here and the road was also empty, so we got down and clicked some pictures and videos at this point. And anyways, as you all know, entire Munnar is full of tea plantations, so you get the opportunity to take pictures anywhere. purchased these two types of tea. One was premium tea, and the other was with the tea leaves, that was non-premium. This Harrison's Lockhart super premium tea is really having a very very good taste, and the other one we have not yet tried. That evening, we also visited the chocolate factory where we purchased some chocolates. Then we ordered our birthday cake and also got food from the restaurant outside. And that was the end of that day.